Hi everyone, so today I'm here to talk about Vaseline. So this is a 100% pure petroleum jelly product, and it has a net weight of 1.75 ounces or 49 grams. So this is a pretty well-known product. If you are watching this, have probably used it before. It is used to protect against minor cuts and burns. So during wintertime, when you have very dry or rough skin, so that could be on your hands, it could be on your feet, this would be a go-to product that you can use to help to moisturize those parts of your body. It's definitely good for your lips. I notice the first thing that gets dry when the temperatures drop are my lips. So Vaseline is always a good thing to have in your purse so you can use it when you need it. As I said, this is a very small bottle, so all you would do is kind of pop open the cap here. It's kind of hard to do on camera, but let me do this real. This is the basic inside of the Vaseline bottle, and you would just take a little bit out and apply it as needed, and then you would close the cap again and you would put it back in your purse or wherever you store it. Another well-known fact is, if you have young children and they come to you and they claim that their bottom is a little sore, this is also a good product for that department. So when you go online looking for this product, they are going to have a bunch of different options for you. So, meaning that the size of the Vaseline is going to vary. So they have big bottles, they have very small bottles. It is recommended. Let me see where it says right here what it's recommended by. It says it's recommended. It's probably recommended by medical professionals, whatever the big associations are out there. They recommend Vaseline for use. So I would say that this small bottle will last me in the winter for about a month. And that's because I use a lotion called Cereave to moisturize the most of my body. When I am in a pinch, I will use Vaseline. So Vaseline is a product that I usually keep inside my purse for those quick fixes. Also, you may notice when you're looking online that they might have different varieties, not different flavors, but this one says original skin protectant, so there might be different variations out there, but I'm not sure what those are. This is a plastic bottle. It's pretty lightweight inside my hand. You can find this online or you can find it in store. I'm not sure where you would go to get the cheaper deal, but it's pretty readily available inside any CVS pharmacy, or if you went to a big box online retailer, you will probably find this product online. And a lot of times these big box, the company that sells on the big box online retailer will sell by the pack. So instead of getting one of these, you can get 3 of these online. So can be very helpful for someone so they don't have to keep on buying a small bottle every time. This is something that you could gift to, say, a family member or a friend if you notice that they really should have some Vaseline in their medicine cabinet and they don't have any. So I would recommend for like a close friend or family member, you can offer this as a gift for them, and it's not a gift in the traditional sense where it's like a MP3 player or an iPad or things like that. It's not a huge gift, but it comes in handy when you need it. So it's definitely something that I would highly recommend to others. It's also a kind of interesting fact. Vaseline is a brand that's been around since 1870, and right now it is 2018. So they've been around for quite a while, and that is pretty remarkable, which shows just how great a brand they are to have been able to be around for all these years, and continuously consumers out there, year after year will rely on Vaseline to help with their dry, cracked skin. So I hope you liked hearing what I had to say about Vaseline, and I thank you for tuning in.